ESP-Me. ESP-Me. The basic instructions and the tilt-a-wheel and the plus and minus buttons. Really all you need to know. But you can add this ridiculously complex WR2 Rain Sensor. Wireless. So they say. I installed the wireless sensor. Let's see if we can. Way out there behind the post. And goodness, this thing is really way too complex. I would actually just toss this and get a hunter timer like my other tutorials. It is just not worth the headaches that you're going to go through for this overly complex thing where hunter timers, it's just the same tilt-a-whirl and up, down, plus, minus, left, right. But the rain sensor is, the wired one is automated and the wireless one is also automated, and so you don't like set it, you like twist the thing to set it, but you don't really even need to do that. It's preset and it just works. And this is like, there's programming and there's ridiculousness and there's an entire manual of more ridiculousness. So ESP-Me, thumbs down. Trash it, get a hunter.